Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm Rendy Elang Lesmana. I'm informatics engineering student, and in this video, I will present my final project of big data subject. So this is my title of the project. So basically, I'm running a short research about current issue, and the title was Sentiment Analysis of Public Reactions to the Iran-Israel Conflict on Twitter using a lexicon-based model text blob. So please enjoy the presentations. So this is the table of the contents of these presentations. Firstly, I will explain the background why I choose this issue, and also we will examine the objective, like what the purpose of this project, and in the third we will explain about methodology, like which model I run in this project, and also key findings, what the result that found in after conduct this short research, and in the end of the session there is a conclusions. So background: why study public sentiment on the Iran-Israel conflict? So as you know, currently in this world there is a bit chaos in the Middle East. This issue is not that simple. It's a bit complicated in my opinion. Israel attack Iran first. That he says Iran cannot have nuclear resource because this gonna be a threat to the world, and Iran doesn't accept that. Iran wants to attack back to the Israel. And also it's not about just two countries, because of what some analysis also said. It's like probably become the initial of the World War III if the both of the parties is not catch fire. Yeah, it's gonna be more complicated. Is not finished if it not finished, because USA will join, and also Russia, and also another big country. So this is become crucial issue that I think we need to know these situations. Yeah, that's the geopolitical significance. And also I chose Twitter as a data source because I want to know the response of the public about this issue. Are they supporting this, or are they critique this? Or yeah, we will find out later. And also assessing the public response to this issue, because I think it's also important to know the public response of this issue, so we will know, like, are they supporting or are they rejecting, like that. And the objective is to analyze tweets to classify public sentiment. There are three labels: positive, negative, neutral, using text blob. And we also will identify dominant emotions linked to the conflict events, and also actionable insight for policymakers or media. So this is the methodology. There are 4 steps. The first step is surely data collections. We collect the data from where and how, and after we collect the data, we have to run the data pre-processing, how we run the data pre-processing, and why we need to run data preprocessing and also sentiment analysis, and also visualizations to visualize the results of the of the uh, of the key findings. Okay, so this is the data collection step. So basically, I'm running scraping on Twitter. I'm running scraping with the hashtag Iran-Israel conflict, and as you can see, this is what I got. There is a full text, which is the content of the Twitter from. Oh yeah, so this is almost around 1,000 sample tweets. Yeah, like this. This is each record of the tweets, like the war began by Israel in Iran, etc. So this is how I collect the data, which is I got from the scraping of the Twitter data with the Iran-Israel conflict hashtag. And the next step is to data preprocessing. So the question is, why we need data preprocessing? Because of we will running machine learning algorithm, and data preprocessing is one of the most important step. Because of what? Because it will enhance the accuracy score. The more data is cleaner, so it will the accuracy score will be higher. So there are several. Yeah, the purpose is to change. We can say is to improve the raw tweets into the clean tweets. So there are several steps also in this step. Like the first is remove mentions. Like if there is any mention, we need to remove, and also remove hashtag, remove URL, remove decimal numbers, remove non-alphanumeric, and also normalize white space. So this is how and why we need to run data preprocessing. Nextly is the sentiment analysis. We in this opportunity we use text blob. Yeah, so classify tweets using text blob's polarity scores. The first label is negative, means less than minus 0.1. If the score or the polarity is less than minus 0.1, for the example, like this word is terrifying, so that will be classified as a negative sentiment. If the polarity is between minus 0.1 into positive 0.1, so it will be classified as a neutral. Like the example, Iran launched drones. And next is if the polarity greater than 0.1, it will be classified as a positive. For the example of the sentence is like peace talks bring hope, so that will be classified as a positive sentiment. And this is the visualization that I will use in this project. Firstly, bar chart. It is in my opinion, it is a clear visualization to visualize variables and their values. And also I choose word cloud because this is suitable for the sentiment analysis. We can know which word that often show or often terjadi in the dataset. So we will know, we will find out next one. So this is my key findings of the project. You can see in the right, this is the bar chart visualizations, the distributed sentiment of Iran-Israel conflict. So there are three levels, as I said. Firstly, positive. We got around 269 positive sentiment, and for the negative sentiment we got around 237, and for the neutral we got around 490. So as you can see here, neutral become the most sentiment of my datasets, and positive become the second high, the second most appearance, and the negative sentiments is in the third. So this is the third example. For the positive label, this is the sentence example like ceasefire negotiation begin today, a glimmer of hope for peace. So that will be classified as a positive. And this is the example of negative sentiment, like Israel's airstrike on Iran are pushing us towards World War III. This is horrifying. There are words like airstrikes, horrifying, so that will be classified as a negative. And this is neutral. This is the example like breaking. Iran launches 300 drones at Israel per Pentagon official. So this is not positive or negative sentiment. This is classified as neutral because this is just informant that news. Yeah, this is a news that informed that Iran launched 300 drones. There are no negative or positive word of it, of the purpose of the sentence also. And this is the word cloud. As you can see, conflict is the biggest in here, means conflict is the most apparent word of the dataset that I have, yeah. And also we got Israel, Iran with the most biggest word that appear in here, and also we got like war, global, and like Middle East, and etc. You can see in here. What the meaning of this? So the meaning of this visualization that we know that which word that often appear in the dataset. So the conclusions, the analysis of around 1,000 tweets on the Iran-Israel conflict using text Blob revealed neutral sentiment dominated around 49%, with positive 27%, slightly outweighing negative 24%. Key terms like nuclear and market highlighted both military and economic concerns, showing most users engage factually while maintaining continuous cautious optimism. This demonstrates text Blob's effectiveness in extracting meaningful insight even from limited data. So actually that's all from me. That's all for this presentations. Hopefully this gonna be helpful for us. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.